Have you ever noticed that most single parents will do absolutely anything for their children except protect them from the one thing they can't predict? I'm talking about life insurance. One of the biggest mistakes I see single parents make is believing they'll get around to it later. They tell themselves they're still young, they're healthy, or they need to get their finances in order first. Before they know it, months turn into years, and they still haven't taken that first step. Here's what I recommend instead. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, start by asking yourself one simple question. If I wasn't here tomorrow, who would take care of my children financially? It's not an easy question, but it's an important one. As a single parent, you're often the primary source of income. You're the one paying the rent or mortgage, buying groceries, paying for childcare, keeping the lights on, and making sure your kids have everything they need. If your income stopped unexpectedly, would your family have enough financial support to continue without immediately struggling? Another mistake I see is assuming life insurance is too expensive. The truth is, many people are surprised by how affordable coverage can be, especially when they're younger and in good health. The longer you wait, the more your options can change. I also hear people say they don't know what type of policy they need. That's completely normal. There isn't one policy that's right for everyone. The right solution depends on your income, your budget, your children's ages, your financial goals, and what you want your policy to accomplish. That's why working with someone who can compare multiple insurance companies can make a big difference. I also encourage single parents to stop thinking of life insurance as another monthly bill. Think of it as part of your financial plan. We insure our cars because we know accidents happen. We insure our homes because unexpected events happen. Life insurance works the same way. It's not something you hope your family will need. It's something you hope they'll never have to use. But if they do, you'll be grateful you planned ahead. The goal isn't to buy the biggest policy available. The goal is to make sure your children have options. Maybe that means keeping them in the same home. Maybe it means helping pay for childcare, school, or everyday living expenses. Maybe it simply gives your family time to grieve without having to worry about paying next month's bills. If you're a single parent watching this, don't let confusion stop you from protecting the people who matter most. You don't have to figure everything out on your own. As an independent life insurance broker, I work with multiple insurance companies, so together we can compare your options and find coverage that fits your family's needs and your budget. Book a consultation today, and let's build a plan that helps protect your children, your future, and the legacy you want to leave behind.